Hello, welcome. And today we'll see what are the different type of patches. Actually, we have seen that JSON 6902 and strategic merge patch. So these are two type of patch, but there are two methods that we can do this patch. Is one is inline patch or separate file patch, separate patch file. What is the inline patch? Inline patch is like you have sent a mail with something is you have pasted in the mail. That is the inline type of patch. If you analyze, means if you relate. So pasting something directly into the email body is like an inline patch, and we are writing like please find the attachment, and we are attaching something. That is the means what is the separate file is like a separate file patch. So whatever things need to change, we have directly put in the customization file, that is the inline patch, and we make a separate file, and whatever the changes has to be done is in that file, that is the separate patch file. So let's understand it with the demo. So I come here. So I'll create three folders or directory: demo base, overlay inline, and overlay separate. So what we'll do, we'll create a deployment with the base, means a replica is 1, and then inline overlays will change the replicas to 3, and in separate overlays will change the replicas to 5. So we have created three directory. So just three. So this is not installed. So let's install so that you can graphically see it. So here is the demo, base, and inline. Okay, great. So create a deployment in a base directory. So cd base, cd demo, ls, cd base. Okay. So we create a deployment in a base. Okay. So just a deployment file. Will set a replicas to 1 year. Okay. So that is ready. Now we'll create a customization file in the base directory. So vi customization yaml, and here we'll put what the resource is. So here resources is deployment.yaml or wq. So we are not doing that thing here. So now we are creating the inline customization, means a file in a directory inline. So we'll cd ls cd cd overlays inline, and we'll create a customization.yaml, and here we'll define the resource. So where is the resource? So resources, here you will see // base. So this is the, if I'll come here and type tree, I'll cd demo and then tree. So you'll see that we have to go to the base directory. So we are here. So it is the one directory up. So we'll go to the base directory. So you will see this dot represent the current folder. File is here in overlay inline. So you have to go one folder up, means if cd ls cd overlay inline. So I write cd dot dot. So which folder comes? So it is actually little confusing. So I'll make a little demonstration. So cd dot dot, and I'll type tree. So this is the thing. So base folder, you don't see this file, only you see base folder, overlay inline, and overlay separate. Then I'll write, I'll open another tab, and in that tab I'll write cd demo and then pwd. So you'll find this location is the current location now. This demo is the current location now. If I find ls dot, so you'll find this base overlay inline here. Then I'll go to the cd overlay inline, and then I type pwd. So you will see root demo overlay inline. Then I'll write cd dot dot. So we are in, and then type pwd. So you will see in, we are in root demo. So it is one level up. So I control L, and now I'll cd overlay inline and then pwd. Then this is the overlay inline. Now I'll try ls dot dot base. So means you want to reach here. So I want to reach this customization.yaml file here. So you can write this p. So I come here and I write resource is a base direct. Now I want to make a replicas to free. So we have already seen this type of thing. So we need to provide the target name, means target, and whatever things we need to whatever the operation means there are various operation, add, remove, replace, and little more, but we are using this and we have to give the path. So this replicas is there in the path spec and then replicas, and we want to set the values to 3. So we'll write these things and we can escape it, save it. Okay, so customize kubectl, customize, and then sorry, I am already here. So when we can use this dot directory dot or we can exit here and cd dot dot cd dot dot, and then I can enter. So now it is showing the replicas 3, so we can apply it and you will find the replicas equal to 3. So let's apply it dot. So new app is created, so we can check it. So here 3. Now we'll delete it. So whatever we created we have deleted. So we have seen the inline patch, means we had written everything. If I write a tree again, so here in overlay inline patch we had given the full customization file we have here. So in overlay separate we need to create a patch file and then we need to try. So instead of so we'll create we go to this separate directory cd dot cd overlay cd demo overlay separate ls. So control L. Now we need to create a similar file, but instead of defining this all things here, we'll create another file and we'll do that operation there. So let's create a customization file. So vi customization yml, and we'll paste all the things here. We need to change this to 5 now. 5. So this will do for inline patches. For the separate file we need to define the only these patches will define in another file. So we'll delete all these stuffs. So instead of this we only need to give the file. So we'll give the path, and that path will give the file name. So I'll say replica, I'll say YAML. Now we need to create this replica patch.yml, and here we give this patch informations. So we'll write this patch operation and wcube and kubectl customize. So you'll see here replicas is showing 5 now. You can apply it. So new app is created and kget replicas set. So you'll see 5 kget pods deployments. So here is the file. So we have seen the inline patch and separate file patch method in 6902 JSON. It is similar in strategic merge patch, but we'll see tomorrow. Thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet in next tutorial. Thank you.